Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Sparks, and today I've got a little command block module to show you, which is mostly for the use of command block module developers. I actually released this some time ago when the chain and repeating command blocks first came out, but I've updated it now to work with the latest 1.9 snapshot. So basically what this does is, some of you may know that in a command block there is this little 0 right here. What this means is that if a command succeeds or fails, either a success message or an error message will be printed here in a box. However, this does cause a little bit of lag to have that constantly happening in a user's world. So to really reduce the lag, what you want to do is you want to change that to an X, which means that it no longer tracks the output of the command block. This is called TrackOutput, and it's a tag, a data tag that the command block has. Now what this module over here does, which will simply install itself just level with the command block that you paste the code in. The code is available in the description in the positive X of the command block. We'll give you this chest. It's got three types of armor stand in here. I've just stacked them up so that it's easier to see at a glance what each one does, but these will basically change the track output in an area around them for the command blocks that they're near. So you can see here, little 0. If I place this down, this is the 2x2 one. It's played a little flame particle here, and you can see that this has now changed the track output to false. So for a large collection of command blocks, this is very useful. So for example, this one here does a 4x4. So you can see all of these around here now have their track output turned off. Over here, they're still on. Now the 8x8 one will just allow you to do a very large area. So this has done all of these at once, and you can see that it does repeating impulse and chain command blocks. So it's just a nice little tool. It will reduce the lag for the end user of your module by quite a bit, which really adds up if you've got a lot of command blocks in the world. I will be using this for my Game Mode 4 modules before I package them up into schematics for download. So I think it'll be a nice handy little tool. It now has been fixed. I'll just quickly go over roughly how it works. So there's two sets of command blocks, one for each armor stand here. The redstone block here is powering the rail. So you can see that when I place down one of these command blocks, it causes a command block minecart to appear. Now the rail is actually still there. It's just a glitch in Minecraft, makes it look like it isn't. If I right click here, you can see that they are actually still there. If I click with this one here, it causes the rails to appear here, and if I do this one here, then it does the last one. So basically what it's doing is this repeating command block, which is the only thing constantly running, is constantly trying to tag armor stands called SPCMD6 with a tag of A if it hasn't been tagged yet. So that's a way of detecting that this has been placed in the world. And if it succeeds, this conditional command block here is going to summon a load of minecarts above this space. I used minecarts to really reduce the size of this system so that it has this very small footprint in the world. And all those command blocks are doing is they're summoning a load of invisible armor stands in a square cube around the one you placed, detecting whether each one of them is inside a command block, updating the block data of that command block to change its track output to 0, and then deleting those those armor stands and the one that you originally placed. So hopefully this will be a nice little tool for those of you who watch me who make command block modules. I hope you can get the one click from the video description, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.